Hi, my name's Sarah Iacono. I'm a 3D modeller and surveyor at AAM. My experience as a surveyor has helped with 3D modelling in the sense that when I'm out in the field, I've got a better understanding of what needs capturing, what a modeller is going to be able to see and not see in the point cloud, and what's going to be useful to them. The 3D modelling team at AAM particularly deliver Revit models, AutoCAD files, 2D plans and any 3D visualisation tools, walkthroughs, things that a client can really grasp in a three-dimensional sense. Every day in my role is quite different. I'm often out in the field in high-vis, working out in the elements, and then coming back into the office, and sometimes for days, sometimes for a few weeks, working on processing data and 3D modelling. A project that I've worked on that I'm really quite happy with is a 3D scan of the historical Regent Theatre in the city. That's something that was a pretty amazing job to work on, and then to finally see the point cloud with all the intricacies of the architecture was quite impressive. If I wasn't a surveyor, I think I would be a set designer. That's something that I've always been very interested in, and something, the theatre and the arts is something that's always been a passion of mine.